Hey, this is Ori from AstroWeb, and I'm going to show you how to set the search engine robots meta field and the robots.txt file on a website. So before I do that, I just want to explain a little bit if you're not familiar. Basically, the robots.txt and robots meta tag is information that's trying to give some insight or, excuse me, some directions to the search engine robots. So Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, whatever, all of those. Now, these are guidelines and not necessarily the smaller search engines don't necessarily follow them always, but at least the big ones do so. So the main things that you can really do with it is, number one, tell a search engine robot, the ones that crawl to try to understand what websites are about and index them. You're trying to tell them either if you want the search engines to index your website or not. Okay, or index it, but follow the rest of the links, follow the rest of the pages. So basically you have index and follow. Those are the main things. Okay, so how do you control it? What do you do with this? You go to stores, configuration, and then you're going to go to the design tab right here, and you have a search engines robot section. So if you do not want the search engines to index your site, you're going to click here and click on no index, no follow. That's it. You're going to save it. If it's a development website, you're just playing around, make it no index, no follow. You don't want search engines, you don't want people to come to your website. If you do, then you're going to need to specify index and then follow. Okay, and then once you click on save, let's go here, let's just go to a page. If I look at the source code, meta robots right here, I can see meta name robots content index follow. Perfect. So now I know the search engines can come to my website and index it in the results. Okay. One more thing which you should do is, before search engines start crawling your website, they try to visit a file called robots.txt. It's a kind of a bigger guideline rather than on a per page by page basis. You have a robots.txt file. Every website should have it. And so in order to actually specify the information, what you need to do is go here to edit custom instructions and put your information there. Now, the actual contents of a robots.txt should be in another video, of course, but at minimum, what you want to have is something like this. Okay, so you want to have user agent a star, okay, asterisk. Any robot that comes, allow everything. Allow them to scroll the entire site, of course, if you want to allow. If not, you're going to disallow. And then you want to specify also what is the URL to your sitemap. Okay, so in this case, we just did our domain / sitemap.xml. And if I save it, then I go to the robots.txt, which the search engines will. Now you have everything here. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty simple. Simple settings, very important to know that. Hope you enjoy this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.